Hey guys, Alexandra here from Chiropractic Masters International, and today I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to optimize your YouTube channel and videos. Keep watching this beginner's course and we'll get you up and running in less than 5 minutes and videos optimized for best search results. All right, and let's get started. I'm going to assume you don't already have a YouTube channel. Go to google.com or .ca. You're going to go to sign in. And you're going to either create an account or choose an account that you already have. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my Chiropractic Masters Google account. And once you've signed in, you know you're in there because your icon is up in the right-hand side corner. I'm going to go ahead and click on my Gmail apps in the right-hand corner, these little squares here, and go ahead and choose your YouTube. And currently, I don't have a YouTube channel, so I'll be starting from the very ground up with you guys. Follow along. On the left-hand side, you'll notice your navigation bar, and you have a button called My Channel. Go ahead and click on that. So here's my banner art. I already had this pre-designed, and if you watched my last tutorial on how to use Canva, go ahead into Canva and create your banner design there. So to quickly recap how to create your YouTube banner inside of Canva, go to canva.com. You can either use custom dimensions that YouTube lists right on the screen, or you can go ahead into all of their designs that are pre-sized and predetermined for you and look for that YouTube banner art. So don't mistake the banner art for the thumbnail. They're different sizes, as you'll notice. So go ahead and choose the YouTube channel art. And you could always use the layouts that they have pre-designed as your inspiration. I'll show you how to upload. The pencil icon is always an indication that you can edit something. Go ahead and click on that and drag and drop your art here once you create it in Canva. If you need to watch my Canva tutorial again, please click on the link on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop my artwork in here. Make sure that you adjust the crop on your image. This part is a little bit tricky, so if you have questions about this, feel free to email me at alex@chiropractic-masters.com. I'm going to go ahead and make my crop, make sure everything is lined up properly. All right, that looks great, and go ahead and select. And here we have it. So you'll see my artwork here. I already went ahead and changed my profile photo. This one is associated with my Gmail account, but I did want to change the look of this. So again, we're going to click on the pencil icon. And I uploaded a different photo that I thought would suit my profile better. We can go ahead and change the crop on that as well. We're going to go click on our Google Apps again and get back to our channel. I should mention that in your channel art, I suggest putting a mission statement or at least something that really matches your brand. This banner is the introduction to your channel, and you want to let people know what this channel is about. Mine is pretty clear. It's about marketing with style. So I'm going to assume that this person has video tutorials about marketing and it's influenced by style, and by my picture you can maybe assume that I like fashion. My description is a little bit silly. It says, "Welcome to Marketing with Style with Alexandra Rodianova, the only channel you'll find that combines marketing with style." This is just an example, and I'm giving you an idea you can do and showing you an example of using the same keywords you have in your banner in your description. This will help with YouTube recognizing your keywords and what your channel is about. So YouTube is actually the #2 search engine after Google. This is why it's absolutely vital that everyone that has a business, whether it's a brick and mortar or an online business, needs to have a YouTube channel. The third thing we're going to go ahead and do is create your trailer. This is your introduction video, and I suggest to keep it to about 30 seconds. Before we go ahead and create your trailer for your channel, I'm going to get you to go ahead and click on this little gear. This is a really important aspect. You're going to be optimizing your channel as a creator and not a subscriber. Make sure that all of these are blue, including this last one. Customize the layout of your channel means that you're going to be uploading regularly and you'll be able to add a channel trailer. So after we've done that, we're going to go ahead and click on the home of our YouTube channel. Then we're going to go ahead and click on for new visitors. So the trailer is a video that will pop up only for people who are not subscribers. This is where you're going to prompt them and push them to subscribe to your channel. This is where you're going to be using descriptive and persuasive language to get them to subscribe to your channel. So now, assuming that you've already created and uploaded your trailer video, we're going to go ahead and click this plus button. I'm going to go ahead and upload my channel trailer. This is the only video I have, so I'll just use this as my example. Go ahead and click save. This descriptor is actually the descriptor that you'll write underneath your video in your video editor. So to edit your video, you're going to go ahead into video editor, click edit, and you're going to write your descriptor underneath this video. When you're finished, go back to your channel and click back here for new visitors. Here it is. Here's my welcome video. This isn't the best example because usually I would do a video full screen. This is again just an example, but here you go. You can see my descriptor of the video. I tell people what makes a trailer most effective are 5 things. Keep it short, so about 30 seconds. Number 2 is hook people in the first 5 seconds. Number 3 is describe your features and benefits. What is the viewer going to benefit and receive from your channel? And then at the end is your call to action. Ask them to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. So the next thing we'll be doing is optimizing your videos. Go ahead into your channel's videos. I have 2 example videos that I'll be using for this tutorial. Obviously, these are not videos that I'm going to end up with on my channel, but I'll show you how we're going to optimize our videos with ending screens. Click on your video and go into Video Manager. Then again, you're going to choose the video we're going to be working with and click Edit. This is your Video Manager. This is where you can go ahead and edit the descriptor, the tags, and everything else. I'll be doing another tutorial more in depth about optimizing your tags for SEO optimization, but for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to optimize your video in terms of your end screen. So we're going to go ahead and go into the end screen and annotations. And here's where you're going to add your subscribe link, the link to your website, a link to another channel that you want to promote, or even another video on your channel. With these end screen annotations, of course, you can also use links to sell products, sell event tickets, and so on and so forth. Your end screen elements happen towards the end of your video, and YouTube suggests that they pop up at the last 30 seconds of your video. So basically, to add an element, you have 4 options. You can add an element to promote another video or playlist on your channel. You can add a subscribe element promoting another YouTube channel, perhaps an affiliate, or a link to your approved website. This last one you can use to sell anything that's available on your website, so event tickets, products, or subscriptions. I'll go ahead and show you which ones I can. The only one I can't show you currently is this last one, because your web tech support person will have to hook your website up and verify it with YouTube. It's a little bit of a process, but we'll get to this at another time. So let's start with video or playlist. We're going to create the element. And you have 3 options here. You can promote your most recent upload. You can get YouTube to select a video from your channel that best suits the viewer. If this video is about marketing, it's going to go ahead and find another video about marketing and prompt them to watch that one. or you can choose a video or playlist that's already on your channel to promote. So you can choose any 3 of them depending on what you want to promote next to the viewer. I'll just go ahead and click the middle one. I only have 2 videos to show anyway, so it doesn't really matter. You will see this element come up and it's going to be constrained to this blue box here. I always have this video show up in the bottom right hand corner, and then let's add a subscription link, and I always have it in the top left hand corner. This shows up as your profile picture, and I'll show you what it looks like to the viewer as well by choosing the preview button.
Go through the roof. So try it, let me know how it works. For those of you who would like some...
This is how it's going to look for the viewer. When you hover over your subscribe link, this is how it looks. And this is my other video I have on my channel that I want to promote to them. It links directly to that video. Very easy. The other element that I want to show you is you can move around the start time of these elements. So basically YouTube allows you to have these elements in the last 30 or 20 seconds, but you can also have a little bit of control here. You can get these to start at different times. And let's go and press preview.
Try it, let me know how it works. For those of you who would like
here's my first element,
tools,
and here's my second element. So really this just depends on you and how you want to promote these elements, but it's very, very simple. You can go ahead and just move these on the scale. When you're happy with the result, go ahead and click save. So there you have it. What we learned today was creating our banner, changing our profile picture, creating our trailer, and editing our video for the end screen annotations.
At chiropractic-masters.com.
The last thing that I'm going to talk about is creating your bumper. This is a really excellent way to promote your channel, your products, your services, and your website. So for the purposes of this tutorial video, I'm going to go ahead and upload our bumper to show you what it looks like and the elements of it. I'm going to upload it as a video right to my channel. So here's what our bumper looks like. Listen carefully for the elements of a successful bumper.
I'd love to have you subscribe, comment, like, and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to go to www.chiropractic-masters.com for more free practice building tools.
This is a great example that you can model because it has all the elements of a really effective bumper. Thanking the viewer for watching your channel, asking them to subscribe, like, share, and comment on your videos, and including contact information. If you're interested in creating a musical jingle at the end of your video, you can always use the website that we use, which is fiverr.com, for really high quality and inexpensive visual and digital art. I hope this beginner's tutorial was helpful for you to start your own channel and get going with your videos and marketing. If you like this video, please subscribe to watch more. Until next time, keep practicing with passion.